See the problem number D. So basically first is the problem. Alice and Bob are given a string s of length n and an integer k. Alice wins if she is able to transform all the characters of s into zeros. If Alice is unable to win in a finite number of moves, then Bob will. Okay. Alice and Bob take turn with Alice first, gone first. On the Alice turn, she may choose any subsequence of length n in S. Yes, then set all character in that subsequence to 0. Okay, on Bob turns, she may choose any substring of length k in S, and then set all the characters in that substring to 1. Note that the Alice win if the string consists of all zeros. At one point during the game, including in between Alice and Bob turns, determine who will win if optimal plays. Okay, so basically you are given a string s and you are given two integer n and k. So explain the problem and best way. You are given a string s and wait wait a minute. We are given a string s and an int of length n and an integer k. Then and if we have two player Alice and Bob. First Alice will move and perform some given operation. On our turn, Alice choose subsequence of any subsequence of length k and make all the elements of the elements to 0, all the characters to equal to the 0, and on their turn, their turn, Bob choose a substring of length k, a substring of length k, and make all the elements is equal to 1, and make all the characters of the string of the substring of length k equals to 1. Is it possible to make if Alice is when Alice won, Alice is win if all the characters of the string become the 0 in the after the Alice turn, not after the Bob turn. Otherwise, Bob will win. So basically, I will proceed on the test cases and let's see the test case and analyze it. Okay. So see the first test case, what it says, and first read the test case format and input format and output format. The first line of input of first line contains an integer t, the number of test cases. The first line of each test case contains two integers n and k. The second line of each test case contains a binary string s of length n. It is guaranteed as the sum of n over all the integers. Okay. So basically you are given the test case and inside the each test case you are given two integer n and k and a string s. Yes. Okay, for each test case you give the output Alice if Alice win with play optimal and Bob if Bob will win with play optimal. Okay, no issue. So let's see and analyze the first test case. Okay, then we are given the value of k which is the 2. We are given the value of k is equal to 2. We are given the string is 110111. So basically Alice take first move and choose any subsequence of length 2, and let's say Alice choose this element, this character and this character, and make them is equal to 0, so it will become the 0 1 0 1 0. Then on the this is the eldest turn, and then on their turn, Bob will make move, and let's say it will choose this substring of length 2 and make them all the characters of this is equal to 1. So the string become this. So next Alice will take move, and on their turn Alice will choose any subsequence of length. Let's say it will choose this, then make it equal to the 0. Yes. So again after it, Bob turn comes, and let's say Bob choose sequence. Let's say it choose again this sequence. Then again it will become the so it will continue the process, and Alice cannot win. So Bob will win this process. In this test case, Bob will win. Bob will win. I can verify to this. Is this clear to Bob will? Yes. The Bob will win. I will copy to all the examples output, and let's see. And see the second test case and analyze. Second test case is a good test cases, I think. From where you can find some idea behind this, that how I can apply this approach. So we have the string one. Wait a minute. So we have the string. So we have the string 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. So basically we need of the four. We need to choose the subsequence of four length. So what I will do? So on the alias field, alias need to make all the elements to the 0. So it will choose that subsequence, so that the on the Bob turn it will get the substring the Bob has the substring with the maximum value of the 1, so that after the Bob turn there will be the minimum change in the value of the 1, so that the alias will maybe able to change the all the character to be 0. So alias choose the four character, means sequence of four characters, and make them all character to be equal to 0. Let's say alias choose to this, sorry, alias choose to this and again to this, so that then it will become the 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. So after the alias turn, Bob turn will come, and Bob will take turn. Bob will choose. Wait a minute. Will only choose the two elements. Let's say I will choose to also this element. Then it will also become the 0 and 1. Yes. Okay. Then on the Bob turn, Bob will choose that substring which has the maximum number of 0. Then let's say Bob choose to this. Then it will become the 0 0 1 and make all the character of this equal to the 1. Then after it, Bob OLS will choose and make all this choose to this and choose to this element L on the LS turn and make them all this character equal to the 0. It will 0 0 1 0 0 0. So after it, why I will choose to this? Why I will not choose to this? Because on choosing to this, I will get the string 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. I will choose to this string. After the else, so after the else turn, it will become the this. Then after the else turn, the string will become this, and Bob will choose this part. Let's say. Then again it will be repeated part. So I will not choose to this element. So I will choose to this. So I will erase to this part. It is only for understanding. Okay, okay. So after it, Bob turn will come, and on that turn, Bob will choose the kill in substring and make all the characters of it is equal to the one. Wait a minute. Okay. So the string will become this, and after it, Alice will choose this substring and make all this element, all this character is equal to the 0. It Alice will win the game. So basically analyze this part. And if anywhere the Alice will able to make the only one, if any is if anywhere Alice is able to make the one in the middle of the whole listing and all the characters should be the one, means I want to say that if anywhere Alice make the string in which the middle element will be the only one, only character one, and rest of all the element will be the 0, then Alice will win. So far this, uh, when it will be, we make, it will make when, we will, let's say we have the n is the 5 and k will be the 2. Then if anywhere the, wait a minute, then is this k, and then let's say if Alice will make this part, let's say Alice will make this part. Yes. Then if k is the 2, then Bob will choose to this part, and again it will not become the equal to the k. But if anywhere the k is this, yes, then Bob will choose to make all the correct, make the string 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And then after it's done, at least make all the elements of this will be the equal to the 0, so that string will become this. Yes. So I want to say that if anywhere the k is greater than the n by 2, so Alice will always won. That is proven by the this problem. This statement means that is proven by the below test case. Then Alice will win. Okay. So let's say there will be the another observation. Let's say we have the 1, 0, 1, 0, and let's say value of k will be the 2. Then on the Alice move, Alice can make all the character equals to 0 in the first turn. So Alice will win. Then if anywhere the value of k is lesser than or means if anywhere the value of k will be the greater than or equals to the one count, or this, then Alice will also be one. So is this clear to everyone? Yes. Okay. So go on the test, go on the solution, and this is simple solution. Basically, I will take the input n and k and string s, and I will initialize to the one count with the zero, and I will find all the characters of the string and count the one count. In case to the one count, and if anywhere the one count is lesser than or equals to k, then Alice will win, or if anywhere k is greater than the n by 2, then Alice will win. In the other case, Bob will win. Okay, so this is the problem statement. Is this clear to everyone?